Good morning. Beautiful sunny morning. Today's video we're testing the DJI mini mics. I've got one in my pocket, I've got one in my helmet, running to the receiver, not Bluetooth, just so I can bring the gain right down, because obviously the engine noise is going to be too loud. I think it's just going to clip. So yeah, little commute video testing the DJI mics. I'm going to bring you along with me. If the mic in my pocket is working the way I think it is, you're not going to hear a lot of me talking today, just a lot of engine noise along the commute. Morning. So yeah, enjoy. I do have ND filters on the way, so we can get some nice crispy cinematic shots. Obviously the camera's just running in auto exposure at the minute, so when the DJI little filters come through, you can mess around with the settings a bit more manually, which will be good because we can get some nice motion blur and some nice footage. Good thing about running two mics is the one in my pocket is just picking up sort of engine noise and cars going past, not my voice. And the one in my helmet, I can just isolate my voice and nothing else, so I can choose how loud or quiet I want the background noise of the bike, which is good because it means I don't have to run a voice if I don't want to. So it can just be a raw sound video of the bike or me waffling to you, either or both. What I could do is, I mean, great indication, mate. Post a little video twice, so one with just the mic sound and one just with the other sound, just so you know the difference. Obviously in edit I can play with the volumes on both, hopefully, if it's working. Hopefully it won't be around for much longer. Just hoping there's not a massive amount of wind noise from the mic in my leg. It's in the side pocket of my trousers where there is a little bit of wind there, but not a massive amount, because obviously it's behind the bike. Oh, makes a change. This roundabout at the minute is usually backed all the way up there because they're doing some roadworks just down that way, straight ahead. Usually causes absolute carnage on that roundabout in the morning, so it's nice to just get through it and not have to filter through. Glad when it's a little bit warmer in the morning. It's a little bit chilly. Oh, love a quick shifter. Good thing I like about a quick shifter in the cold weather, you don't have to take your left hand off that heated grip to pull that really cold lever in. You just get to hold that little bit of heat. A few times. Go to shift from 5th to 6th. You get a bit of a weird ghost neutral, false neutral. Only seems to do it between 5th and 6th. It's a bit weird. I don't know whether it's where I'm not like high enough in the revs or not quite pushing the lever up hard enough. I'm not sure. I might shift it and go GP shift just because it feels better. my pin lock is also failing, as the left hand side of my visor is currently steaming up, which is not ideal. You not want to move over? It's only a mile right away, don't worry about it. I know I'm a bike, but you don't have to force me off the road. I don't know why people do that. They think, no, it's a bike, it'll fit. But you're on my side of the road, so I shouldn't have to move over into all this crap on the side of the road. Well, this is the end of my journey, so hopefully the mics have worked. Take care.